Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. No, I got some blessings that I don't deserve, just like everybody do. Today, we can pick some strawberries. We got some strawberries starting to come in. I'll take y'all along and show y'all how these strawberries looking. Let's see how many we get. Not too many, I don't think, today, but you never can tell. Let's see. Yeah, we got a few of them ready. Let's see how many we actually got and what they're looking like. Down here, strawberries are usually the first thing we get. Oh, starting to come to size there. Look at that right there. Calm down. That one got a little bit over. Yeah, dog. Oh. Calm down. Yeah. Yeah, that one got some damage. I'm gonna keep that one. Got a little bit over, right? I don't know. Maybe take the backside off. It's still good. This is more. Look like they might be ready this afternoon. All in here. Then still plenty more. Left. That's still flowering. I'm gonna take you in closer. Look. See, this one, like you still need about a day. They starting to come along, plump up pretty good since we had all this rain. You can see this strawberries for days. Strawberries for days. Yeah, there's just one patch I got. This is what we got from here so far. Let's go over here to the strawberry bed and see what we got. Here's the strawberry bed. You see, we got a few off in here. I think it's hard. It's too low. I've got some blessings that I don't deserve. I've got some scars, but that's how you learn. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. I think it over and it doesn't matter. I know it comes from above. I've got miracles on miracles. Million little miracles. It don't look like too many over here. Rats, eh? Like 4 out of here. Something still about ready. Not quite. Not quite. Yeah. As far as strawberries today, that's what we got. Got a few more strawberries right here. But none of them is ready either. Yeah. So we coming up along the season, and strawberries are starting to come in. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Oldham Homestead, growing my passion.